Hello, let me show you how you can set up back tap gestures on your Samsung S25. Take a look. When I'm gonna double tap, it will take a screenshot, but if I'm gonna triple tap, 1, 2, 3, it will actually launch the calculator. So if you want to also get this feature enabled, you will have to just go into Galaxy Store and you have to get this application, Good Lock. One more time. There we go. This one, you will have to just download it and then open. Now you will have to just wait. You have to go into this plugins and you have to search for Registar. Just search for this plugin and open it. Now just wait for a loading screen. And right now go into back tap action. First of all, you will have to turn it on, and by selecting double tap you can pick any action that you want. And the same for the triple tap. For example, you can pick specific application. I select calculator. And what is also pretty useful that you can change sensitivity of this one. And here you can find some gates. So it's not working when your device is locked. But also we can switch this off when the power saving mode is turned on and when your phone falls below 20%. But this is it. Thanks for watching.